Okay folks, in the last video we created categories and sections, or should I say sections and categories, so that we can start to populate our website with articles and actually make the website a website. Okay, so log into your back end and we need to go to add new article. Click on that. And we need to give the article a name, and we're going to call this one Hello World. It's the typical terrible, really boring thing that they get you to do when you're learning new stuff, so we'll use that even though it sucks. Probably alone on that statement. Anyway, so I'm going to call it Hello World because it's the first message. A couple of things to check is that the article is published, and we're going to set, in this particular instance, we're going to set the the article to front page as yes. And we're going to give the section a section of news, and the category is going to be dental news because so far that's the only category you've set up. And then in the next big box here, this is where the article is. So, hello world. This is where we put stuff. Just fix that typo there. Okay. Now you can put images in here, you can put symbols in. Let's put copyright. You suck. Okay, so copyright, you suck. And there's a few advanced features here that we're going to look at later. We're going to keep most of the features here the same, but the main thing we want to try and achieve today is to get an article appearing on the home page. Now let's quickly go back to the front page option here. Okay, basically the front page doesn't have to be the home page, but it is a page where if this box is set to yes, the website will display those articles. Okay, by default, Joomla will have the home page as a front page set up. So basically, any any articles that you have set up as yes on front page will appear on the home page. And an article effectively is some content that you've written. Okay, and they can be separated in their own pages, and they can be aggregated together in like a sort of list or a blog. And in this case, because it's the only article, it's going to appear to be kind of the whole web page. So we've just gone and saved that. We're going to go to the front page. Hopefully we'll get a thing saying hello world, and then hello world again, and then some gibberish I wrote. So I'm going to refresh the page, and there we have it. Okay, so it says hello world, and then it's got hello world, this is where we put stuff, copyright you suck. So that's what we entered. You can see it doesn't look much like what we had on this end. If we go back to the back end here, I mean literally we just put a bit of text, and we put a bit of text here, but the template assigns the title hello world to the top here in its title design, and then it adds the date and who wrote it, and then some little sharing buttons here. Okay, and these are all changeable via the administration, and we're going to be looking at article parameters next. Okay, but essentially what we've done is we've created a page. You can add images to that, and you can do pretty much what you want. But for now, I think that's it. I'm going to move on to how to change all these bits in a second.